Hey guys, Dave here from Pangione Developers, back with another major home transformation project in Bergen County, New Jersey. We just got our lumber delivery behind us. Yesterday, we stripped down the inside of the home. We're preparing to add a full top floor, 6 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms to this tiny ranch home. Now, if you watched our last ranch home that we broadcast over Instagram, from start to finish, we completed the home in 10 weeks. The family moved back in. It was 1,300 square feet. This ranch transformation is going to be almost 3,000 square feet. We're completely opening up the first floor. We're adding a brand new second floor, relocating the staircase, all new windows, all new exterior siding and roofing. This place is going to look amazing. This was a tiny little starter home for a family. They outgrew this home. They needed more space. They called us to handle the entire transformation from start to finish. Go inside. I'm going to show you the inside of the current home. All right, guys, just the other day, we stripped down the inside of this home. Just 2 bedrooms in this home, a bathroom, and here's the living area. We're going to completely open this all up. We're going to have 2 bedrooms, a bathroom on the first floor. We're opening this whole section up. We're opening up the back area. We're putting a staircase from right there to right over here, leading upstairs to a brand new top floor, 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Guys, over here we have the kitchen. Let me show you what we're gonna do. This wall right here is coming down. We're gonna open up the entire kitchen space. We're gonna close up the old staircase. We're gonna extend the kitchen into this full area right over here. It's gonna wrap around with a nice peninsula looking out into the open area. Perhaps you watch this on Instagram, YouTube, or our Facebook channel. We've broadcast thousands of videos, and we're gonna be broadcasting this video as well, where you can watch the entire process from start to finish. And just like the last home that we finished in 10 weeks, you'll be able to watch this home as well. So let's talk about your home transformation. Perhaps you already live in a home that you outgrew, you need more space, or perhaps you're looking to purchase a home, transform it, make it your own, you're a first-time home buyer. We provide full funding options for the purchase and the transformation. And if you want to get started, we simplified the process. All you have to do is click on the more information button down below. You'll be directed to our website. You answer a few questions. We can get you pricing with or without plans within 24 hours. Perhaps you already have a set of plans that you haven't made a move on and you're looking to build. You have an architect that you haven't completed the set of plans. Give us a call. We can get you pricing. So to get the process started, simply give us a call at 201-774-3733. You can click on the more information button down below. You could email us at info@PangioneDevelopers.com. Again, info@PangioneDevelopers.com. And don't forget, you can watch this project from start to finish by clicking the subscribe button. And for a limited time, we're offering our special package pricing. So give us a call. I'm Dave Pangione. Thanks for watching.